In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a recent project in Shotcut. Welcome in. We're focusing on the Shotcut interface and, more specifically, the quickest ways to get back into work you've already started. When you launch Shotcut, you'll land on a start screen with a preview area. Right there, Shotcut shows a list of your recently opened projects. Think of it as your shortcut back to editing, without hunting through folders. The simplest method is to click the project you want from that recent list. As soon as you select it, Shotcut opens the project and restores your timeline, clips, and settings just as you left them. If you've got a long list, scroll to find the correct file name and date. This method is fast and reliable when you've opened the project recently and nothing has been moved. If you don't see your project in the recent list, don't worry. You can open it manually. Click the Open File button on the toolbar or go to the File menu and choose Open File. A file browser will appear. Navigate to the folder where you saved your project, select the Shotcut project file, its extension is usually .mlt, and click Open. This does the same thing as the recent list, just with a couple more clicks. If you're unsure where you saved it, check the folder you typically use for video work, like documents or videos, or the custom project folder you created. Keeping your project and media organized in a dedicated folder makes this step easier and helps avoid missing file prompts later. There's also a third way, which is perfect if you're already in your operating system's File Explorer. Open your File Explorer, go to the folder containing your Shotcut project, and double-click the .mlt file. Shotcut will launch automatically and load your project. This approach feels natural when you're browsing files or when you've just downloaded or moved a project into a specific folder. If everything is where it was when you last edited, it should open right up exactly as before. Those are the three straightforward ways to reopen your work in Shotcut. Click it from the recent list, use Open File from inside Shotcut, or double-click the .mlt file from your File Explorer. Choose whichever fits your workflow in the moment, and you'll be back on your timeline in seconds. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If it was, please give the video a like, leave a comment to share what you're working on, and I'll see you in the next one.